my name is Yusuf Gandinata Barata, and in this video, we will review an employment contract. But before we start, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Right, next. Before we get into the topic, here are short information about the contract. This contract belongs to William Smith, which is a company, and Illinois American Water Co. This contract legally bind William Smith, a company, and Illinois Water Co. This contract effective from March 5, 2019 for a period of 3 years. This contract specifies the position, duties, responsibilities of both parties. It involves Illinois American Water Co., which is being involved by William Smith in the capacity of marketing manager. William Smith had tried to increase or revise the Illinois company responsibilities. For duties and responsibilities detail, you can read it by yourself in this set of videos. Alright, next, compensation and benefit. In this contract, written down that the monthly salary of Illinois company is $2,500. The paycheck is given twice a month on 1st and 15th day every month. Alright, term of employment, confidentiality, unauthorized disclosure. The employee doesn't have right to copy or modify the confidential information such as copyright material, cost, invention, technical matter, etc. This contract say that amendment or change must be approved by both parties and must contain start date. Termination of employment can be happen when date of at will is reached upon employee death and another reason that you can read by yourself. Alright, term and condition. The first thing is notice. Any formal communication or notice regarding the employment agreement must be in writing. Such notice are to be sent by registered email, either to the employee's home address or the employee's principal headquarters, depending on the situation. Compliance with employer's rule. The employee is required to follow all rules and regulations set by the employer, which are aligned with the company's policies. This ensures standard of conduct and behavior within the workplace. 3. Or I can say it 2. Return of employer property. Upon the termination of employment, whether voluntary or involuntary, the employee must immediately return all employer provide property. This includes, but is not limited to, key or key cards, company vehicle, company identification, computer or laptop, company credit card, document, and material related to the company. Failure to return this item may result in the employer pursuing legal action to recover losses or damage caused by the employee's non-compliance. Non-assignment. The employee, additional term. The employee cannot transfer. Additional term. First, non-assignment. The employee cannot transfer or assign any right or interest from this agreement to creditor or any third party, whether voluntarily or involuntarily. 2. Ownership of social media contacts. The employer shall retain sole ownership of any social media contacts, such as follower or friends, acquired during the term of employment, regardless of the platform used. 3. Ownership of intellectual property. Any intellectual property created by employee during their employment belong to the employer. This includes any work with copyright developed during the term of employment. The employee must notify the employer of any such creation and waive all related moral or copyright claim. Or successor. The agreement remain binding on both parties and is successor, including individual or companies acquiring the employer asset. 5. Entire agreement. This document represents the full agreement between the employer and employee, superseding all previous discussion or agreement. And this contract also include the severability, applicable law, copy of agreement, key takeaway. Next, short explanation or conclusion. So, the contract belongs to William Smith and Illinois Water Company. The contract is effective from March 5th, 2019 for 3 years. The month salary is $2,500. And any amendment must be approved by both parties. So I think that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next video.